to 52 art journals. So let me come in closer for this one. This is a small one, and on the front it has, this is cardboard, and I've used what I had in my stash to make a mini journal. Card and then thinner pieces of card, and we'll just have a flip through so you can see. So in this particular one I've added some figures to the page. They're not done, it's for me to come back, and during the next week you're going to be seeing me do some of these pages. Okay, so this is just paper collage. Again, it's not complete, it's just the first layer of the page. And as I go through, some of these are mini images that I'd painted and wanted to put them somewhere, so I put them in this book. And then the rest of the pages that you can see are ones that need to be complete, but I'm looking forward to doing some of these this week. And just keeping it simple. Sometimes you just need a few colours. So just like I've done some of these, what I may just do is maybe do some outlines, refine it a bit more, define it a bit more. And maybe add some word in as well. This is from a Zentangle that I did. And I'll link to the book that it's in. A drawing, painting that I did. And we've got some washi tape in here. And then I had covered it with it's like a handmade paper. You can kind of see underneath, but then I went over it in paint, and it's nice that you can see the paper underneath and the patterning underneath. So that's okay. So what I'm going to do is maybe one or more of these pages. We'll see how it feels. And I wanted the one I saw that I want to maybe work on is this one. So I'm just going to start adding pen to some of the areas, just to refine it a bit. Another one done. So that's a nice thing to do, to be able to do, to come in and just work on a small aspect of a page rather than having to do the page from start to finish. And I can even come back and do some more markings